Hello everyone. I hope today you are doing well. So today we are not doing anything about DSA and no coding problem, no contest. Today we'll discuss about something as much important as DSA, which is projects. Right? You were keep me asking me in comments like, what do about project? How to make good projects? What are good projects? What's the definition of a good project? And what project I have on my resume that get me got a good internship at Adobe, and I recently received a PPO as well at there. So I will walk you through the entire project that what I built it and how you can also make and similar projects and enhance your resume, right? We'll share complete idea that what is a good project look like, what key features it should have in the current scenario in the AI era, right? We'll discuss about everything. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and like button, like this video because that keeps me motivated and make more awesome content for you. Let's quickly walk through my project. So basically, I built a Z coder, a coding platform that people can post problems from different websites, right? When you're preparing for an interview, let's say you have 1 day remaining and you have problems on lead code, GFG, code forces, you bookmark everywhere, right? But you don't have the time to go to every platform and again see the bookmark list, right? What if you have just a single platform where you can bookmark all your question, right? That's what I built. All your coding challenges at one place. We at Zcoder, we built it. We implemented the features. See how I made this landing page very awesome. The UI should be very awesome. Also, importantly, this is deployed. The project is deployed, so you can also access this. I'll also put this link into the description. You can check it out. Okay, I made this is a dummy data by the way, but okay, these are the you can say reviews that people have, and then get started now. A awesome footer with UI. It's very important that see whenever a person, even a dev person, come to your profile, right? He will see, oh, this is looking good or not on the basis of the UI. Okay, functionality obviously is important, but also how you're working is also very important. How your looks like, right? Then I made a problems tab. Here is the main job of our things, right? All the questions are listed here. Now there are two sections here. I made it that okay, let's say someone else also can post a question. It's a community. This is a community. This is your bookmarks only, or your questions will be displayed here. Only these questions you marked it. Then it has the tags. Okay, well, you already given that, but okay, this is the tag. You can go to the link, right? This is a problem link also, solution also. How beautifully we made it. People only uploaded a solution, but yet that this is how we implemented it, right? We can remove it from our bookmark list and it will work as well. So see how beautifully it is working. And then if you go to the again my problem sections, you can see that here are the actual problem. It's a community. You can see that some functionalities we have implemented. Okay, there's a discussion section as well, right? Here is a show solution as well. So many things are there, and you can add a question here. When you go to this add a question, you can put the question title, you can put the topics, you can write the code, you can add the question, right? So we have implemented these things. I will also explain you the whole idea, how we build it, how in a quick grasp. And then we have a social tab as well. Here you can chat with your friends, right? You can show you online as well, you can chat with him, and whatever conversation, this is the last message I have sent him, you can show unknown message as well. These are my friends also. How I will make friend also. And this is a contest calendar feature currently not working. We'll fix it because some bugs are there in my project, but yeah. Then you can go to my profile as well, right? Here I mentioned my all coding platform, about me section, skills whatever I have. I can add the handle links. You can go to my code force and it will lead to your code forces thing, right? So you can add a handle. So too many functionalities we have implemented, and you can edit the profile. So the overall idea of the project of this project is to you familiarize with the front end connected with backend, that okay, these are the things eventually happens, how you can make, and how you can make a schema, particular schema, how you can connect the things and dots. I wrote the APIs of login, auth, right? These are the things, and this what a recruiter wants, right? We'll also discuss in detail that what a recruiter is looking into your project. And let me show you quickly the next project. You can explore this project. I will put this link into the description. This is my another project. I also implemented a Google Auth. In the initial one, it was a simple auth. That's simply what you do. You just go and create a user login password. Here, I implemented a Google Auth as well. That's what we learned other things as well. You can also implement a Google Auth here, right? There are too many things you have to learn. See, this is a very simple UI. It manages your expense at okay, how many budgets here. Don't worry about it. It's a dummy data about the budgets and expenses. But I'm just showing you how useful it can be. You can manage your budgets, right? You can create budgets. You can see the expenses what we have recently covered on a trip, and then it also helps. It's again a dummy data, but yeah, we can track down all the expenses there, right? How dynamically beautifully the charts are displayed. You can go to the budget section and see what are the budgets are available to you. You can click onto any budget. You can see what are the expenses corresponding to that. You can add an expense. Let's say you just add an expense, right? So as a user, always you make a project which is looks beautifully added here, right? How beautiful it is looking. It goes down. You can edit a budget. You can list all the expenses what you have. So what that did you saw from these two projects? Let me just explain you in detail that whenever a recruiter comes to you, what does he see in your project? So the most important thing he sees in your project is why you have built this project. The why is very very important. See, I saw most of the people that they say, I built this because someone other built this. My college seniors told me to build this. I built this. I made a Dijkstra visualizer. I built a some image classifier. I don't know why I built it. I have to make projects. That's why I have to build it. I want to get a job. That's why I built it. This is not a reason, right? This is not a valid reason. Always try to make a project which always explain why. I faced this particular problem, or my friend faced this, my family faced this problem. You can frame it. Try to be as real as possible. If you really solve a problem, right, it will be a very, very, very good project. Faced a real problem. That's very important. Okay. Nobody will gonna ask you in an interview, oh, how you build it. That's not important. The why is very, very important. The why. How is just okay. What tech stack do you use? At max till that. No one go to your GitHub and see your code. Oh, this is how you build it. Explain me this line of the code. Right. Don't worry about these things. Important why. Why you made it build a very good project. Also, what problem does it solve? I explained you. And also, what problem you face while making this project. This is the next important interview question that you may encounter with an interview, right? So you have to prepare with that as well. Oh, I didn't face any problem. I just copied from YouTube. I didn't do anything. You don't give this type of reasons, right? Explain genuinely, and if you make genuinely a project, right, you will face problems, collaboration with team members. Oh, I was using the GitHub, but it was not, the conflicts are there, we try to resolve them. So these are the things. Try to explain why, what problem does it solve, and why, what problems you face. You have to explain that to the interview, and that will make a very good impression to you, right? And is it deployed? As I already showed you, if you have a link on the resume, just click on that. The interview can reach to your project. Oh, he can see actual project instead of pasting just GitHub links. Anybody can do that, right? Clone the repo, just add your project. How does it matter? How does it differentiate from you and any other guy? You're competing with many other people, right? I'm not saying that others are bad, but you have to be at very good place among the peers, right? So you have to make very good project, deploy them if possible. Obviously, some projects are impossible to deploy, but most of them are possible. So this is a overall idea that how to make a good project, what things you should keep in mind while building a good project. Also, I will share some good ideas. First project idea, what I believe that you should have currently on your project list is just Gen AI plus web development. If you know a web development, if you know something about LLMs, Gemini, API keys, right, you should definitely build this project, AI trip planner. That you can explain the problem to the interviewer as well, that we live in hostel, that in college we find usually go on trips, but we have a limited budget, so we want to go somewhere but we don't know where to go. So use leverage the concept of AI, right? Build APIs, connect them, and you can build project. Do let me know if you want this project. I can make a video on that as well. We'll walk through that and compare. If enough comments will be there and enough likes will be there, we'll make a video how to make this project in detail as well. So yeah, do share with your friends as well. So this, and also bonus is always hosting. Try to host as possible. This is a very good project idea. In this scenario, you should have this kind of, at least one kind of this project. This is a LLM wrapper project. I say that you can build anything, solve anything with the help of AI. That build some website, and on top of that, you can just add AI. How? Like in my Z coder thing, you can take the code, and what you can do, you can build maybe an AI. You can solve the comment problems. Let's say you commented on a problem, right? And now user need not to respond. You can pass this to AI, and AI can resolve your comments. Do like that. Try to make something awesome. Other project idea is, again, like I build something top of my project. Expense tracker. It's a basic project, right? You just managing expenses, putting expenses, nothing fancy. It's like just CRUD operation, right? Create, read, update, delete. But what if you can add a real life use case, which is splitwise? This will be an awesome project. This is known as a level 2, level 3, level 4 project. What you can do is, oh, you build a simple expense tracker project. What you can do, you can implement one more functionality splitwise. People can add their expense in a group, and it will, algorithm will be there, and you, that splitwise has been done. Use your DSA, and it involves DSA logic as well. It involves oops principles. So it's a very, very, very good project. I think so. You should have this project also in your resume. Must have an awesome project. And do let me know if you want the splitwise functionality in my app as well. We'll try to make a video on that if more words goes to this one. And the third one, generally don't do deep learning and machine learning projects. But what I observed is that this also I find a very good idea, because I am more focused on idea rather than just a particular project. Oh, you make this, will make you the best. No, I'm focusing on the idea. Why? The why is very, very important. So here, machine learning, deep learning project, you can say you can solve any particular problem. Yeah, many problems are classification problems are there. You can run a model, make a model. Let's say one of the idea to given a photo, then you have to say it's biodegradable waste or not. You can say that it's biodegradable or not. It will be useful, right? Let's say you go to a person, and when you say, oh, you build this, oh, it is really helpful in preserving nature. You saw some people, maybe it's through government, whatever. You can give some ideas to the interview why you build this project, right? The important thing here it is you should deploy the model. You will learn ML ops here. That's also one more important thing. I should this That's why I listed this project, because you have to don't have to just make the project on your local machine. Make a project, make a model which can run on others machine as well. Try to learn how to deploy some model as well. You have to learn something and known as Docker. So do let me know if you are not familiar with these terms: React, Next.js, MongoDB, and Node.js. And if you want a detailed video of them as well, how to learn machine learning, deep learning, how to learn web development. If you have any doubts regarding that as well, we'll try to cover that as well. But the main focus is make good projects. A good project will definitely lead you a good opportunity if you're applying off campus. Because on campus it does not matter much, but if you're applying off campus, everything matters. Your college matters, your CG matters, your projects matters, your internship matters, and this is a very, very crucial matter which makes a distinction among you and your peers, right? So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and we'll make more such awesome content for you guys. Cool. Then see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.